Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify whether a medical procedure is covered by insurance, follow these step-by-step instructions to avoid unexpected bills. Step 1. Locate the customer service phone number on your insurance card. Call this number to speak with a representative who can verify coverage for specific procedures. Step 2. Have all relevant information ready before calling. This includes the procedure name or CPT code, your doctor's name, the facility where it will be performed, and your member ID number. Step 3. Ask specifically if the procedure is covered under your plan. Inquire about any exclusions, limitations, or conditions that must be met for coverage approval. Step 4. Request pre-authorization if required by your insurance plan. Many procedures need approval before being performed to ensure coverage and avoid claim denials. Step 5. Get a detailed cost estimate, including your financial responsibility. Ask about your deductible, copay, coinsurance, and what the insurance will pay toward the procedure. Step 6. Verify that all providers involved are in network. This includes the surgeon, anesthesiologist, facility, and any other specialists participating in your care. Step 7. Request written confirmation of coverage. Ask the insurance representative to send documentation via email or mail stating what is covered and your expected costs. Step 8. Contact your doctor's office to confirm they received authorization if required. Follow up to ensure all necessary approvals are in place before your scheduled procedure date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.